Hi, this is Busy Proud Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use green screen on Filmora. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Have you ever wanted to remove the green background from your video and replace with another image or video? If you're using Wondershare Filmora and don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the chroma key or green screen on your Filmora software. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Filmora. You can start a new project, and from here you can import. For example, you want to remove green screen from this. We'll use this one, and also this one, and also this one. As you can see in here, we can still see the green screen, right? But for that, I will add the background first. Okay, example. Can go back to media. You can, I will add this to here. Sorry. Okay, like this. We can still see the green background, right? To remove it, you can just select on the video or media that you want to remove the green screen, like this. Now, you can go to masking AI, and in here, you'll find there is an option chroma key. You can just enable this feature. Like this, you can choose color. You can choose on the green color. And now let's see the result. Now you have successfully removed the green background, right? It's very simple, right? I will do it on another video for this video. You see the green light. Now I want to remove it. Select on the video, enable the chroma key, select color, and it turns out like this. And also I will try doing this. Now select in here, select on the video, go to masking AI, enable the chroma key, you can select colors, select on the green color, and here's the result. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove green color on your Filmora. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!